it's about a trolley and a volcano. Okay.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. I wrote the script so you know it's gonna be cool, yo.
Yeah.
So let's start this madness.
Okay.
That's your cue. Oh, Charlie, you want Charlie to start here?
Do we have a light for this corner? Or does it come on?
And Charlie needs a push.
Where's which one's the trolley? This one?
Yeah.
Which way do I push it?
Technical issue.
Oh, you know what? It's on the. You need to start the right. Push right.
Technical difficulties.
Other
one
that
here?
one. There we go.
Start the show. Okay.
Let the show begin! The train start. Once upon a time in Train Town, there was a trolley named Trolley. And a volcano near his station called Volky. They tried to get along every time Trolley would pass the volcano.
Every time Charlie, louder, Melon.
Volky would explode.
Did you see that eruption there?
Volky would explode.
Special effects.
One day there was a deep flood.
Oh, the flood.
Stop, Trolley! Trolley!
Over there? Okay.
No, stop him over here!
We can't
You gotta
get
switch that other switch there.
Keep going.
The far switch.
Stop him! Dad!
Oh wait, stop him back there? Okay.
You're supposed to stop him back here, right here.
Alright.
Yeah, very dress.
Close enough.
My volcano's right here. It was a deep flood, and Charlie was floating aimlessly and was going
Not yet.
and was going to sink. But Volky said to him, "Climb on top of me up to the highest peak, and you'll save yourself." So Charlie climbed to the volcano and waited until the storm subsided and climbed down. Thank you so much. I always thought that you were mean and unhelpful, but it seems that I was very wrong. You saved me. How could I ever thank you? Asked gratefully the Charlie. We could become friends. It was so mean because I was jealous of all your friends. By then they became best friends and lived happily ever after. That end.
Yay!
Let's hear it for the volcano. Can I see the volcano explode again? Can I see the volcano again? Volcano! Volcano!
No!
It was fantastic. Good special
Well
effects, guys.
done. Nice script. Well
Stop
done.
it!
Whoop.
Derailed.
Yeah.
All right.
What? Good train
Should we
show.
tell Grandpa what he missed?
Thank
It's a
you.
matinee show
Thank you
later.
so much.
Different waitresses.
Yes, we have habitats for humanity
And
all
there's
over the place here.
When's the next show? Next year?
Well, you know, if you don't have enough houses,
Stay tuned till next year.
That was good. Well done.
Thank you, darling. Can I have a big smile?
What'd you say?
10
Look
more
at Grandma.
minutes and it's bedtime.
Bedtime.
Okay?
Say your goodbyes to the train until next year.
Yay!
You get a picture?
I'm dedicating my Grammys to you people.
Grammys?
Oh.
Grammys. Grammys. You mean Oscar for Smith?
No,